In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Rocket Money account. Whether you're looking to streamline your finances, manage subscriptions, or keep track of your spending, Rocket Money is a great tool to have in your financial toolkit. Let's dive right in and get you started with creating an account. First things first, head over to your preferred web browser and search for Rocket Money. You can easily find it by typing Rocket Money into the search bar and looking for the official website link, which is usually one of the top results. Once you've located the official Rocket Money website, click on the link to open it. Now that you're on the Rocket Money homepage, look for the Sign Up button. This button is usually prominently displayed, inviting you to start your financial journey with Rocket Money. Click on Sign Up to initiate the process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details, starting with your name. Make sure to input your full name as it appears on your legal documents for accuracy and consistency. After entering your name, proceed to input your email address. This should be an email you regularly check, as Rocket Money will use it for communication and account verification purposes. With your name and email entered, it's time to agree to the Rocket Money Terms of Service. You'll find a checkbox for this on the sign-up page. It's crucial to read through these terms so you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've read the terms, check the box and proceed by clicking on Get Started. Afterward, you'll need to set a password for your Rocket Money account. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but not so simple that others could easily guess it. With your password set, click on Continue. Now you'll be asked to select your financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve using Rocket Money, whether it's saving for a big purchase, tracking monthly expenses, or canceling unused subscriptions. Choose the options that best align with your objectives and click Continue. You may see a few highlights or features of Rocket Money that you can explore. Simply follow the on-screen instructions by clicking on any highlighted sections to gain more insight. When prompted, click Continue to proceed. The next step involves linking your financial account with Rocket Money. Click Add to start. Choose the type of account you want to link, whether it's a bank account or a credit card, and follow the prompts to enter your account details accurately. Once your account is linked, click on Become a Member to finalize the sign-up process. Congratulations, you've now created your Rocket Money account. For convenience, you might also want to download